Bend the paper clips to make supports for the wire. Tape the paper clips to the ends of the battery. Wrap the wire around the marker to make a coil. Cut, leaving about 1 cm of wire on each end. Loop the ends around to make the coil hold its shape. Sand the insulation completely of one end of the wire. Sand only half the insulation of the other end of the wire. Make sure it can spin freely. Give it a push to get it started and watch it go.